Welcome to Bull Mountain. Today I'd like to take you on a tour of a very special home that has a rare feature, a separate living quarters. So sharpen your pencils and get ready to check all of your boxes. With over 3,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths in all, this home offers flexibility for multi-gen living, maybe a rental, extended guests, you name it. I'm excited to show you the separate living quarters first. It's beautiful, modern, and thoughtfully designed. This space includes a kitchenette with granite countertops, a gracious living room, bedroom with a walk-in closet, luxurious bathroom, private laundry, and both interior and its own exterior entrance, depending if you want to keep it separate or incorporate it into the home. Above, you'll find the main living area featuring an expansive living room with lots of windows and access to the upper deck, a peaceful spot to relax among the trees. The kitchen, nook, formal dining room, and large laundry room complete this level. Upstairs, the primary suite includes a sitting area with deck access. It also has a soaking tub, a shower, double sinks, skylight, and walk-in closet. There are 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath with double sinks upstairs. Set on 1/3 of an acre backing to trees, this home also has a newer roof, high-efficiency heat pump, EV charger, and smart home upgrades. Conveniently located near Progress Ridge, restaurants, and top-rated schools, Bull Mountain is known for its beautiful homes, sense of community, and it's where nature is a priority. Thank you for visiting this Hillshire beauty with me today. If you'd like more information or would like to see it in person, please reach out. I'm Julie Williams, Principal Broker with Elite Real Estate.